Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn new lesson decimals. Then what is mean by the decimal? See here, it's very easy part and decimal depends on a fraction lesson. Okay. So what is mean by the decimal? A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fractional part is separated by a decimal point. Means whenever whole number is available and fractional number is available, these two things separated by the decimal point, that is called the decimal. Then what is mean by the dot? See here, the dot, see here in small bracket, see here, that dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. That dot we call the decimal point. The digits following the decimal point shows a value smaller than the 1. See here, means whenever after decimal point, see here one example, 2.573. This 573 is the fractional part and this fractional part is the, see here, the digits following the decimal point shows the value smaller than the 1. Means this part is smaller than 1. Okay. Then see here 2.573. Then here is the three parts, left side part and right side part. Okay, in between left side and right side there is a dot. Dot means decimal point. So left side is the 2 and 2 means whole number, means left side number. Any number available of left side, that numbers are called whole numbers. Then this dot called the decimal point. Then right side of the number means this right side of this point, any number available, that time we call the decimal number a fractional number. Okay, and this decimal number and fractional number is the less than 1. Means every time 1 is a biggest one, then 573 means this fractional part every time is the small. Okay, next point, fractions with denominator 10, 100 and 1000 are decimal fractions. Means those fractions having denominator is the 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, that all fractions we call the decimal numbers, yeah, decimal fractions. Okay, then see here first example, here is the 2573 upon 1000. Okay, so this number we call the decimal numbers. Okay, see here simply decimal numbers. Then how to write this number in decimal? Okay, so denominator is the 1000, so these three write down in 1000 place. So answer is the, see here, 2.573. So then everyone knows the places of decimal places and whole number places, yeah, normal places. Okay, in decimal places there is a no 1, yeah, there is a no units, there is a tens. Then what is mean by the tens? See here, then what is mean by the tens? Tens means 1 upon 10. Then second place is the 100. 100 means 1 upon hundreds. Okay, then thousands. 1000 means 1 upon 1000. Okay, means left side places, it is a not normal places, it is a decimal places, and first decimal place is the 10th, then hundreds and then thousands. Okay, then 10th means 1 upon 10, hundreds means 1 upon 100 and thousands means 1 upon thousands. Okay, then this decimal point left side, it's a normal places. Then everyone knows the normal places. Then normal places, first place ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, then lakhs, thousand, 10,000. Here is the next 10,000, then lakhs, 10 lakhs, then crore, and then 10 crores. It's so these are the normal places and these are the decimal places. Okay. Next point, expanded form and place value. Expanded form and place value. This expanded form depends on the place value. So we know the places and place values. Okay. Then example 12.05. Then whole number is the 12 and decimal number is the 05. Okay. Then everyone knows the places. So here is the left side of the decimal. First place is the ones and then tens. So 1 is equal to 10 and 2 is equal to 2. Why? Because this 1 is the 10th place and this 2 is the 1's place. Then 0 is the value of 0 upon 10, yeah, 0.0. Okay. Then this 5 place value is the 5 upon 100, yeah, 0.05. Okay. Then how to write this number in expanded form? Okay. So write down first 1 means 10, then 2 is the 1 in 1's place, so normal 2, plus 0 is the 0 upon 10 and second one is the 5 upon 100. It's the first method. And second method is the decimal format, 10 plus 2 plus 0.0 plus 0.05. Next point, like and unlike decimals. Then what is mean by the like decimals and unlike decimals? Okay. Then here is the first example of like decimals, 3.81. Then second example 19.25, then 26.07. Whenever decimal places are the same, a number of decimal places are the same. Here is in every number having two places. See here 812507. So we call it's a like decimal. Then what is meant by the unlike decimal? Here is the second example of unlike decimal, 7.18, 15.9, 52.217. Okay. Then why we call this is a unlike decimals? Because this decimal places, number of places are the different. First number having two places, second number having only one place, and third number having three places. So number of places are the different. So we call the unlike decimal. Then we want this unlike decimal transfer into like fractions. Why? Because in next point we will using that the like fractions. So how to transfer, how to convert into like decimals? So increase only zeros. Okay. So here is the two places, increase one place, write down 0. Here is only one place, write down 9 and put down 2 zeros, means two places increase, and last 3 places are already available. Means first find out the maximum places and increase that places, other increase the places. Okay. Then next point is the comparison, descending, ascending, addition and subtraction. Next point, comparison of decimal. First example 1.47 and 1.74. Then how to compare? See here, first compare whole numbers, means left side compare, left side are the same. Then compare right side, means decimal side. a decimal place. First place is here is the 4 and here is the 7. So 7 is the biggest one. So answer is the 1.74. Okay, then next one 8.053 and second number 8.052. Here is the same places, same decimal places. Yeah, number of places are the same. 3 places. Here is the 3 places. First compare whole number. Whole number is the same. Then first decimal place is also same. Then second place also same and third place here is the 3 and here is the 2. So 3 is the biggest one. So 8.053 is the greatest one. Then ascending and descending order. First example 0.06, 0.79, 0.0042, 0.43. Then first step of this example, these decimals transfer into like decimals. Why? Because here is the unlike decimals. So maximum places are available 4. So these 3 numbers transfer into like decimals. Okay, so 0.0600. Then second one 0.7900. Then next number is 0.0042, same to same, and 0.4300. Okay, then second step, arrange these decimal numbers in ascending order. Then what is meant by the ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Okay, then first one, small, find out the smallest number. First compare whole numbers 0, 0, 0, 0. So every whole numbers are same to same. Then first place of decimal 0, 7, 0, 4. Then here is the first place is the 4. First place is the 0. Here is the 2 zeros and here is a single 0. Whenever we compare first place, here is a 0, here is a 0. So same number. Then compare second place 6 and 0. So 0 is the small. So this is the first smallest number 0.0042. Then smallest number is the next smallest number is the 0.0600. Then next one is the 2 numbers are left 1 and 2. First place is the 7. Second place is first place 7. Here second number, first place 4. So 7 is the biggest one, 4 is the smallest one. So next smallest number is the 0.4300 and last biggest one is the 0.7900. Okay, then next one is the descending order. Then what is meant by the descending order? Descending order means big to small. Okay, so first find out the biggest number. Okay, then these all numbers are like decimals, so don't transfer into like decimals, directly arrange. See here, first one 101, then 86, 110 and 64. So first compare whole numbers and 110 is the biggest one. So write down first number, biggest one 110.49. We will arrange descending order, big to small. Then second one is the 101.23. Next one is the 86.27. Last one is the 64.27. In this way we will arrange the ascending and descending order. Then last point, addition and subtraction. Then first example 378.96 plus 234.35, then 45.6. Here is not a like decimals, so transfer into like decimal. Okay, here is a 2 places, then here is also 2 places. Okay, then increase here 1 place. Okay, then arrange the numbers and add directly. So 5 plus 6 11, write down 1 is carry. 9 plus 1 10, 3 13, 13 and 6 19, so write down here 9, 1 is carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18, so 1 is carry. 7 plus 3 10, 1 11, 11 plus 4 15, 1 carry. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, and then decimal. And every time keep in your mind, whenever we write the decimal points, that time बिल्कुल उसके नीचे ही डेसिमल पॉइंट आना चाहिए, और फिर whole part separate and decimal part separate. Then last point in this session, subtraction. So 34.2 from 45.8. Whenever is from available, that time your second number is the biggest one and first number is the smallest one. So write down second number first. 45.8 minus 35.2. Then 8 minus 2 6. Then 5 minus 4 1 and 4 minus 3 1. In this way, and write down decimal point. Then answer is the 11.6. In this way we will learn decimal, how to write decimal, addition and subtraction. Okay, thank you.